Excavator Max. This is Excavator Max. He found some balls. I wonder what he will do with them. Look, Max is juggling. Max, will you spin your carousel today? This is Max's carousel with pictures. Let's see what pictures are here. Pig, horse, cat, dog. One ball is missing. Max, we need a ball with a picture of an animal. So, where are the balls? Here. How can we get them? No, not like this. You must click on the green button. Here it is. Well done, Max. Which ball has a picture of an animal? Correct! Max brought a ball with a picture of a cow. Spin the carousel.
Hey!
Cow, pig, horse, cat, dog, cow. And now it's time to get stars. Listen carefully to my questions. Which animal gives milk? Cow. Correct. You get the first star.
Hey!
The next question is more difficult. Which animal says this? Pig! Well done! Here's the second star. The third question. Which animal barks? Why are you laughing, Max? A cat? Max, are you joking? Cats don't bark. Dogs bark. Here's your third star.
Hey!
You answered all the questions correctly. Next time, let's play again. Police car. Tow truck. Truck. Bulldozer. They're going to watch new cartoons. Choose one and watch it with them.